The AI video war is over, and we have two kings. OpenAI Sora 2 delivers shocking single-clip realism and speed. Google's Veo 3.1, specifically the new 3.1 update on the Flow platform, focuses on complex storytelling, 4K output, and professional workflow. The question isn't which one is better, it's which one is the right fit for your project. We've used both, testing the limits of fidelity, native audio, and narrative control. We are telling you who to invest your time in. Let's start by pushing both models to their visual limits with a high-detail 4K fidelity challenge. Prompt: a close-up of a bronze statue textured with fine corrosion, heavy rain, neon reflections, 4K detail. Veo 3.1 wins. While both models cap at 1080p on standard tiers, only Veo 3.1 offers a proven 4K tier. For broadcast or large screen display, Veo 3.1 is the only option here. Now we move to something far more demanding: native and synchronized audio and dialogue. Prompt: two actors, a man and a woman, talking in a Parisian cafe. The man says, "We must finish the film today," with the sound of clinking glasses.
We must finish the film today.
You look exhausted.
I'm fine, but we must finish the film today.
Then let's make it a good ending.
Veo 3.1 wins. Veo 3.1's native audio is designed for the post-production pipeline. The dialogue is richer and the ambient sounds are more naturally synchronized across multi-shot sequences. This next test exposes a true production-level requirement: character and branding consistency across scenes. A woman wearing a custom branded jacket walks across a busy street. The brand logo must be preserved across two extended scenes. Veo 3.1 wins. Using the ingredients to video on Flow, we locked in the character and brand logo. Veo 3.1 held that consistency flawlessly across every extension. Sora 2 required constant reprompting to avoid visual drift. Time to see how each model handles long, continuous shots and how fast they can generate them. Prompt: a single continuous 25-second tracking shot of a drone flying through a dense forest canopy at sunset. Sora 2 wins. In the accessible Pro tiers, Sora 2 can generate a single, highly coherent clip up to 25 seconds long. Veo 3.1 requires extension. Sora 2 is 30% faster for complex single-clip scenes. Finally, a storytelling challenge. Can each model transition smoothly between two completely different environments? Prompt: transition seamlessly from a snowy mountain range to a close-up of a warm fireplace. Use a dynamic camera move. Veo 3.1 wins. The first and last frame generation tool let us feed Veo 3.1 a starting and ending image, and the model generated the perfect directed transition. This is a crucial professional storytelling control feature. Sora 2 is best for short-form social media and concepting. We have tools like Sketch to Video and the Higgsfield enhancer to quickly prototype ideas and deliver a highly realistic 1080p final product. Simplicity and speed. We are maximizing fast iteration and initial impact. Veo 3.1 is best for narrative-driven content, commercials, and film where continuity is paramount. The first and last frame generation and scene extension are explicit editing tools built right into the platform. This saves huge hours in post-production. We are minimizing post-production and maximizing the model's ability to tell a coherent story across multiple cuts. We can definitively say neither is a scam, but they are designed for fundamentally different users. The choice comes down to which type of investment matters more to your career: time or professional-grade control. Choose Sora 2 if you prioritize time. Sora 2 is faster, cheaper for volume, and the perfect engine for concepting and short-form content. If your client needs 50 clips tomorrow, you choose Sora 2. Choose Veo 3.1 if you prioritize professional control. The investment here pays off in huge post-production time savings. The 4K output, integrated native audio, and directed transitions mean the final clip requires almost no extra work. If you're pitching a broadcast ad or a narrative short, you choose Veo 3.1. If we want to master the cutting edge of AI, hit subscribe. We test every single tool so you don't waste your time or your professional reputation.